All right. We are live. Good morning. Good morning. It's going good, man. How you doing? New logo? New logo today? Nice stuff. Nice stuff. Yeah, I'm doing well today. Yeah, hope you guys are doing good. Doing pretty good. Awesome. 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 Markets dumped quite a bit overnight. Interesting to see. Yeah. Interesting to see. We dumped like 400 points overnight from the highs. Oh, actually 540 points. So quite a bit. Quite a bit, but we were all the way back at 25,000. So we're down 2% on the NASDAQ from there. So pretty crazy. Yeah, I hope everyone's having a good day. Hopefully we can have a good trading session here. We're already up very well overnight. Tom's settings are up to 20, about 0.5 R. And in my settings are up 1150, so just over 2.1 R after commission. So 1150 is my settings. There's been 3 full wins, 3 partial wins, and 3 losses overnight. So pretty good with my settings there. So yeah, pretty much that's about it. Up 1100. We had a full win here at 840. I'll just full screen this for you. Full win here, 840. We had a loss here, 807. Then we had 2 partial wins here, which it's good we had the break even because it would have lost both of those with the second half. So 2 partial wins makes 1 full win. And then we had a loss there, then a full TP at 1 in the morning, then a loss. This one was only a 3-point stop. Like, obviously that's going to lose. It might be worth putting in a minimum stop loss so something like that doesn't happen. Then we had a partial win and another full TP win last night at 8 p.m. So overall, pretty good. Lots of trades because we're also super volatile right now, right? This isn't necessarily normal. But yeah, I wouldn't say it's normal, that's for sure. Those are our settings. Someone in the group, I'm forgetting the name. Let me look. Coach Stokes. Yeah, Coach Stokes did find that Tom's settings, he changed to a 144 EMA, and he got like a 25% increase in profits and a 30 8% decrease in drawdown. Error, great to see it doing well. Solid few days, yeah, I agree. I don't know why I said error. I never say error. Anyway. All right, we're chilling. Market open in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Hope everyone has a good day trading. Remember, be safe. Don't be stupid. Try and make smart decisions. Don't force things. Remember, I mean, just follow your strategy, right? Don't force things. Go break even early if you usually do that. Hop out when you think you should hop out, right? Don't stay in the trade just because you hope it wins. Just look at the chart, go from there. Also, for anyone on the iFVG monthly, if you wanted to upgrade to the lifetime, that discount I'm giving ends on Thursday. So if you have monthly, you want lifetime, I'll give you basically your monthly subscription off of the lifetime, so $225 off. That ends Thursday though, so just let me know, DM me if you want that. Okay. I don't yawn until I get on the live stream, man. All right. So some levels I'm watching here. 24,713. That is an hourly high. 24,502. That's an hourly low. And then we have a London high at 749. And the 50% level at 774. So a couple areas to mark on your chart. Yes, that's correct, AP. Yep. 500 and negative 300, yep. And remember, that's based off of realized gains. So if you're at like $499 on your account after commissions realized, it'll take another trade. So just keep that in mind. All right, so a sell-off there on the open. Again, I'm watching the start of that gap as well is at 542. So, you know, that new week opening gap, definitely an area to watch as well. ES not moving yet. Actually, it is moving. It's already moved 8 points. Just doesn't look like it. NQ already down 50 points. Wow, that's a big candle. Did not realize that. Okay. Getting risk off vibes already. Yeah. Definitely got to play defensive. These candles don't look that big, but I mean, it's just volatile, man. NQ down 51 points and climbing. ES is down 10 points. So far fairly correlated. Barely correlated. For anyone just joining, The Joey settings up 1100 overnight on 500 risk per trade. Toms are up about 220. I would like for us to honestly move down. But that hourly low that I'm watching is at 24,502. And that's 100 points away. But I mean, obviously that first candle, we moved 50 points. So we just need to do that pretty much, yeah, 2 more times. All right. All right, well, we're hanging out. See what happens. I'll pull up Financial Juice and Forex Factory. Powell's supposed to speak today. Powell is supposed to speak today. All right, keep that in mind too. All right, moving down here, 570. I need to hit 502 for that hourly low, which is this low right here on the chart. Looks like this low is a 30-minute swing low as well. So, I mean, that's not a terrible spot to watch for a trade from, for sure. All right, looks like we're moving down towards that gap, so we'll see what happens. That's what I'm watching, pretty much. You guys let me know if you're seeing anything that I'm not seeing. ES down 17 points now, and NQ from the open is down 94 points. So only 50 points to go until that hourly low. And then, okay, 40 points to go. Then I'll be watching for a reversal back to the upside, if we can get a good reaction from there, right? That's looking... Is this delayed? Or am I... Yeah. Oh yeah, that's delayed. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I just noticed that. Should speed up now. I think. Yeah, that's still delayed it. Hopefully it should catch up though. All right, we're at 512. About to sweep the hourly. About to sweep the hourly. Hello, Samuel. Hello, hello. We are caught up, I believe. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Perfect. All right, hourly low, 502. Watch for it. Watch for it, folks. And there's 502. Okay. Wow, we call the market so good sometimes. We'll see if we bounce from here. All right, so I'm watching to see if we'll reverse. Be watching for some sort of reversal, but if we keep pushing down much more, like towards 450s, probably no. Took a nice trade, another algo. Nice, Samuel. Gio took a solid trade, another new algo. Awesome. Awesome. You guys are working on your own algos. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's see what happens here. Did get a reversal from there, but that's not gonna work. Selling pressure is heavy, guys. Selling pressure is too heavy. It is volatile today. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, is it volatile? I want to see us rip up here, but this bearish for Valley Gap holding us down. There, I can just see so much volume coming in right now. It's not good. All right. Okay. Yeah, it is volatile, guys. Crazy volatility right now. We just moved from 500 up to 530 back down to 480 in like a minute. Nuts. Oh, and okay, my whole computer just froze for a second. Wow, that's a lot of volume. A lot of volatility. We're down how much from the open? 170 points already? Are you kidding me? Is it going to be a blind short day or... Okay. Really weak, yeah. I don't even know where you'd blind short to. Maybe towards the midpoint of the gap, or we're going to fill that new week opening gap or something. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah. Oh, they're definitely uncorrelated, yeah. Slightly uncorrelated for sure. Yeah. Or 90s. I think your NQ chart's delayed, buddy. We're at... It's not that uncorrelated. We were at the 490s 4 minutes ago. Yeah, I think your feed's tripping. For sure. Rhythmic? I'm on Rhythmic. Well, I'm on Rhythmic for Quanta. Yeah, I mean, I think it's fine on my end. Hmm. Seems to be fixed. Good, good, good. Want to see us keep pushing up here. Want to see us keep pushing up. Starting to reverse. Uh-oh. This is when we start to pick up speed again to the downside. Come on, man. I was just up 10 points on an ES long. 10 points on ES. That's a lot. Keep pushing for me, please. Create an order block and run. Create an order block and run, man. Don't stop me out, break even. Don't stop me out, break even. Just run. Please. Please. Don't do it. Go up. Go up. Go. Go. Don't reverse. NQ, you should go too. Come on. Go, please. Come on, man. Oh, we're reversing. Okay. That's going to stop me out break even. That's a shame. Oh. I need to just go for 1-to-1s, man. I was up a total of 1.6 R. That sucks. That sucks. I was up 1.6 R, yet I only made 0.7 R because I scaled. That's why I hate scaling, just gonna be completely honest. That's why I hate scaling. Only netted 0.7 R when I was actually up 1.7 R. which that's just, like, come on. That's annoying. And now it wicked me out and it's starting to move back up there. That's so annoying. Yeah, I need to just start holding for like, I don't know, 1.5 R or something. Oh no, it's running. It literally stopped me out break even and now it's gonna go hit my target. That's so annoying. There's no way I don't go break even there though. I was up 10 points on ES. Oh my god, it just ripped. My entry long on ES was 6604. It just hit 661575. My target was going to be 18. It's annoying. I'm annoyed. What a rip. Holy cow. Dude, what the heck? I'm done for the day. I'm up 40 points on a NASDAQ long right now. I entered maybe a minute ago. Not even. I mean, I took a loss earlier, so right now I'm only up $40 realized. If this comes back and break evens on me, it's 40 bucks. Otherwise, I'm gonna leave one contract running up a little bit. Try and get up to like a base hit day, but otherwise I might just call it up 40 bucks today because it's so volatile. I don't want to get wrecked. I do not want to get wrecked. So I'll see, I'll see where this can run, but yeah, definitely stalling a bit. I have my stop break even, so worst case is I'm up 40 bucks on the day. Best case, I make about 200 on the day. So I don't want to hold it too much more than that. I feel like I'd just be stretching my luck, so. When we hit this fair value gap on the 1 minute, I'm gonna exit. If we oh, we're stalling. I don't really want to. I'm just gonna exit. Okay, I'm happy with that. Stalling a bit and stalling a bit. I didn't want to let that come. I would have been really upset if we came all the way back on me. So yeah, would have been upset if I let that one micro come back 60 points on me, right? So do I want to risk having it come back 60 points on me just to make an extra $30? You know what I'm saying? So I'll take it. It's a small base hit day. And I executed well. I executed well. I was going to hold till about 80, 85, which we 100% looked like we're going to go hit, but you gotta play defensive in these markets, man. You gotta play defensive, right? I would much rather take a exit early. I'm up 140 after commissions per 50K account. Small base hit. On my 150Ks, I'd be doubled, so I'm up 300 per 150K. Net between all my funded accounts, because I have quite a few, I am up. Yeah, so it would have, I would have just hit my full TP there. So it did hit 185. Okay, great. So I missed out on $50. But if it came back down on me and I lost the $120 of profit, I would have been a little butthurt. So 2.3K on the day, which is, that's a base hit for me. You know, it's a base hit. I've had a lot of base hits this month. I haven't had a lot of full TP wins. So and yeah, we just rejected that 185 area, so, you know. But again, I went in 3 micros. I got an entry at 504. 504. We ended up where I sold my last contract at 64 was 1.7 R. But I scaled. I did scale again because I don't know. Okay, that's what I've been trying to do, is scale out more, but if I held everything to that one, to where I just exited my last contract, that would have been 1.7, would have been $350 on that trade. So I'd be up double of what I am now. So almost just need to start, you know, trailing stops instead of scaling. Just trail the stops up, or I don't know, maybe I once we hit like a 1-to-1, I go break even, and then I scale at 1.5 R and 2 R. I'm not sure, but might need to tweak that a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna call that a day there on all of my funded accounts. It's okay. It's not bad. I didn't lose, right? That's how you gotta look at it sometimes. Didn't lose. And today's super volatile. Obviously a lot of money to be made. Also a lot of money to be lost. So I'll take it, right? Basically, I took a ES long on the 30-second chart, and it ended up being pretty much right here. So I tried a long right here. Stop was like right here. You know, that ended up losing. Okay, this is a 1-minute chart. I took a long on a 30-second. Then I took an ES long, and that ES long was pretty much equivalent to being right here on NQ. So pretty much right here. My stop would have been down here, right? That ended up ripping, and I'm 100% still upset that ES trade didn't hit, because again, if you take a look at the ES chart right now, my entry was 6604. That's up to 6628. It peaked out at 27 points in profit on ES. Do you guys know how much 27 points is on ES? I mean, that was a beautiful trade. It just so happens it literally wicked me out at break even. But again, I was up 10 points. Like, when do you not go break even on a trade when you're up 10 points on ES? That's like being up 50 points on an NQ trade and not going break even, right? So, is what it is. And then I took a NQ trade for my third and final trade. And that was right here. I entered right here. Got a pretty good fill. Stop was right here. So it did hit 2R right up there, right? Hit 2R. I ended up scaling some, is there a drawing tool here? I don't know. I ended up scaling some like right here. And then I ended up, well, I only went in with 3 micros here. So I ended up scaling 1 micro here. I scaled 1 micro here. And then I scaled 1 micro right here. So that's my 3 scales there. That was a good trade. Yeah, I mean, high volume, it's after a bank holiday, lots of stuff have been happening, right? So I'm okay with that. 3 trades, 2 of them, actually, I think all of them were good executions. They were all like, I executed them well. I would do the same thing over again. The only thing I would do differently maybe is just scale out differently, which I don't know if any of you have any tips for me. Gio, do you have any tips for me? Let me know for scale outs and stuff like that. A lot of times I just hold for a 1-to-1. I've been trying to just do scale outs more recently, but the scale outs, I don't know. I haven't been in love with them. Like, I'd rather just hold everything to a 1.5R, you know what I'm saying? Instead of holding and scaling, and then you end up getting a 150-point trade, but it equals the same amount of money. You know what I'm saying? Like, technically, on that NQ trade I took, I got a 60 points on my last micro. So it's 1.7R. But you know what? I could have gotten that same amount if I just sold everything at 40 points. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know if you got any tips. Let me know. No red day on the month. Technically, yesterday was a red day. If you know, counting everything, I'm down $7 yesterday between all 13 accounts. I'd say that's break even. I wouldn't count that as a red day. Besides that, 0 red days this month so far. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. I've been trading, you know, inverse for value gaps and stuff. And I don't know, the levels, it's just trickier. I don't have necessarily defined levels unless I'm just scaling at like swing points or a fair value gap or something, you know? Like, that's where I scaled was pretty much in a bearish rally gap. Then I scaled another contract in a bearish rally gap. Then I sold when we got close to the upper for rally gap. But I mean, at this point, we're up even more right now. Oh my god, that ES long was so perfect. Holy cow. I have to show you guys this. Hold on. ES. Check this out. ES came down. This is the long I took. Right here. I longed right here. Stop was down here. Ended up hitting a 5R. Yep. So this right here was up 10 points. I mean, there's no way I'm not going break even. 10 points of profit there on ES. And then moving down, and then it's up, obviously. I mean, look at that entry, guys. I took that. Kind of a shame. Kind of a shame that I got stopped, but I mean, I still can't complain. That was a really good trade. Yeah, MNQ. 609. My entry was 504, so that's up 110 points. So that's fine. I'll take a look at my TradeZilla. I'll see maybe how I could scale out differently, but let's take a look at 144 EMA. That's what Coach Stokes said. It's 10:10 already. Wow. I feel like I've been yapping a lot today. Let's take a look what AMD's done this morning. 218. Let's take a look at. Okay, let's take a look at. Well, how much is that? Let's take a look at. Nvidia's down. Everything's down this morning. 180s. Nvidia at 181. Yeah, everything's red. Everything's red this morning, and our Ninja Trader froze, so. What do you think, guys? Should we call it here? No trades on the live stream, sadly. But, I don't know. I think we might call it here. Everything's pretty dang red today. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie at all. What's Amazon at? Amazon 215. Yeah. I think we'll call it. Ninja Trader froze. I'm up, you know, a little bit. Nothing crazy, but I'm not going to take any more trades, that's for sure. So, still up 1.1K overnight with the Autotrader. So that's very good. Otherwise, we'll call it here. Thank you all for joining. Be very careful today. It's super volatile. So I'll see everyone tomorrow for Wednesday. See you guys.